Hey, hello, and what's up, guys? Welcome back to develop.ai. So, guys, in this video, we're going to solve develop Gen AI apps with Gemini and Google Maps, guys. So, guys, if you're new to this channel, please make sure please like and subscribe to the channel for more such content, guys. So, guys, I'm getting views but not the subscribers. So, please do subscribe to the channel, and it will be more motivated to make such solution based on cloud as well as AI, guys. So, guys, in this video, the lab will be in step by step form so that we could solve the lab very easily, and the lab will be guided. So if you miss any if you get any error, or else if you miss any step, please do watch video once again, and this lab will be easily solved, guys. So just copy your password and open a console in the mode here. So click on next here and paste your password here, and click on next here, and then click on I understand here, so that we could log into our dashboard of Google Cloud. And then wait for this, click on agree and continue here, and remove this. So, guys, come to a lab and click on task number one here. So in the task number one, so in the Google Cloud console on navigation menu, click Google Maps platform. In the learn map making decisions, click the enable API tab, and in the finish setup section, and click enable API. So let me move to a lab, and in navigation menu, click on Google Maps and platforms. So in Google Map platforms, we are going to search for what wait for a second. Yeah, in learn map making essentials, so we need to click here enable APIs. So click on this finish setup enable APIs here, so you can see this. So after that, let me move to this next step and click on this check my progress, so you will get a green tick without any issue here. So after that, just come back here, and we are going to create a key here. Okay, still in the Google Maps platform window, click Google Maps platform in upper left, and then click key and credentials. So just come back, and you can see at the left side in the column side, you can see a key and credentials. Click on this key and credentials here, and click once again. So just come back here, and then we need to enable the API. So click on this enable the API, click on this API, click on this create credentials here. So click on this API key. So we need to get an API key here. So just copy this API key here, so that we could use for later process. So just copy this and just close this, and just copy your notepad or else site tab anywhere. So just come back here, and then after that, I have been closed it. Let me move for task number two here. So set up Vertex AI workbench for the Jupyter Lab notebook environment. So in this step, the Google Cloud Console navigation menu, Vertex AI and workbench. So click on this navigation menu and search for Vertex AI. In the Vertex AI section, you can see here workbench. Click on this workbench, and then just remove this, and just come back here and find the generative AI Jupyter Lab instance, and click on open Jupyter Lab button. So just come back here and remove this, and you can see open Jupyter Lab. So the Jupyter Lab may take some few seconds to load the dashboard here. So let me move, and let me learn the step to be followed next step. So click instance open the Jupyter Lab button. Okay. The agent v1.0.0 binary file shows the Explorer left pane. Double click on open it. In the select the kernel dialog, choose Python 3 from the list of available kernels. So after that, and we need to run this. I think here set up Vertex AI workbench and install the Vertex AI SDK. So see, it is loading our Jupyter Lab. So let me move, and let me learn the step to be further steps. So cell number, update the code as follows. So content to replace the Google Map API key. So guys, here it is a step, guys. So we have been recently copied this API key right now. So that we need to replace there, and then see API key you recorded earlier. So we need to remove this, and we need to paste that. So after you replace the content, the code should be similar in the following. So just come back here. So our Jupyter Lab has been opened here. So click on this agent v 1.1 find a file. Double click on this, and then we need to select what here Python 3 kernel. So it will be as a default here. So we need to select once again. So Python 3, and click on this and click on select. So after this, the next step is that we need to insert a API key here. So just remove this. So just come back to your API key here, and just copy recently which you have been copied and pasted somewhere in Notepad or some tab. So paste it here, click on this and paste it here. And now here we need to shift enter, click on shift enter. So if you are experienced, if you're not as experienced, click on this play button here for each cell. So after that, click on enter, click on enter, click on enter, click on enter, click on enter. So wait till task number 2 executes. Okay. So all the dependencies are downloading here. So all are installing, you can see here. Successfully install Google Maps, etc, etc. So even this and then after that, click on this model. So until task number 3. So after this executing here, so just come back, guys, and then in task number 4, click on task number 4 here. In the task number 4, you are going to get an hotel name here. So in cell number 12, replace insert hotel name here with your choice of hotel from the cell 11 output, and then run the cell. For example, so it is given here hotel name. Just copy this hotel name here and just come back here, and you can see in the task number 2 we have been executed, right? So every hotel name, it has been given the details of everything. So just come back in task number 3, and now remove this and paste it here, and now shift enter. So click on this, shift enter until this, so you will get this null value. So no need to panic if you didn't get. So in another step we need to it will generate an id here, okay, place id it will generate. So we need to execute that. So what do we do means, so we got an here hotel names, right? So just copy this hotel names. So which is this hotel names here, many of them. Yeah, the for London collection, hotel, Hilton, for example, different names of that. And just come back here and just replace this hotel name in that place and paste it here. And now just shift enter, shift enter, shift enter until so you will get this type of output here after that. So print in geo code. So you'll get a place id here. You can see this unique id. Just copy this unique id here. So after copying this, just come back here. In the fourth step, you can see insert the key for the place ID here. So just remove this and paste it here. And now click on shift enter. So after that, and place ID will be generated automatically. In task number 4, we are going to directly execute everything here without any issue. So you'll get an result of international phone numbers and exit, etc. But no need to. I think you'll get a error in last. I hope so. So we are going to get an error in last step. So but no need to panic, guys. We need to execute in every step because the code is in error. So it is asking for international phone number, okay? So just come back in the task, in older task here, and search for which has the international phone numbers, okay? Where is it? So it has been not given here any this international phone number here, guys. So we need to search for this. So if we get error here, we need to. So it is asking for international phone number. What to give here? So we need to do one thing. Just remove this international phone number data and click on shift enter. London, UK, and yeah, even this also, and shift enter. So after this, remove up to this also. This cell I think to be not need, I see. So after the shift enter, so data to 0. So after this, removing this, so click on enter, uh, and then after this, so if you get an error, please make sure that alter this all commands, so you will get an everything executed here. So we are not going to get the international phone number. So if you get an error in by the chance, if it successfully execute, no need to alter these commands, okay? So after this, which have been executed here, yeah, this, right? Yeah, this to be done. And after that, so the next step is this. Click on enter. So this, shift enter and shift enter. So everything will be successfully done here. So we no need to here to be get error here. So we need to alter everything, guys. So because if you get error, we need no need to go back because we are a CS student. So we need to alter everything here. So we are also going to get error because an international phone number is added here. So what we need to do is, so remove this even this international phone number also. If you get error, if it has executed well and good, So shift enter here. So after this, here also prompt email. So it's going to generate. So shift enter once again here. So you will get any type of an output here. So after this, yeah, it has been executed here. You can see this. If you get any error in by the chance, okay. So if you don't get error, you will get this type of output only. So just come back to your lab and check out progress, guys. So click on task number one. So task number two. So click on check my progress here. So we got a green tick here in task number three. Uh, Click on check my progress here. So at task number four, click on check my progress here. Yeah, we got a green tick here also. So click on check my progress here. So we'll get a green tick. I hope so here also. Yeah. And then this also we need to get, because here is the step where we got a error here. So we solved the error. So we got a green tick here also. And the last step is that in seventh, I think. Yeah. If we get here green tick, we successfully we have been completed this lab, I think. So wait for a few seconds. So no guys, click once again here. So I think it may take it takes time for updating this. So click until the check my progress to be executed. So if not yet, do one thing, just come back here and then just shift enter once again and shift enter once again here. So everything will be running, and then click on check my progress here. So I hope so you'll get a green tick here also. So click on once again. Yeah, you got a output here, but what's the error? So the comment was the error here. So I don't know the. So it's asking for. I think please make sure you have to run the cell after completing the prompt equal international phone number. So we don't have international phone number. It is asking for error here. So we need to start from first here. So just come back here and click on check my progress here. Once again, if you get an output. So now guys, here we need to add here. So run this and even run this also if it's possible. Let me see. Yeah, but it has an error here, international phone number. So add a bracket here and click on run, and once again click on run here. Let me see, this step might be and run here. So just come back here and click on check my progress once again. Yeah, we have been completed this lab. So because no need to remove this international phone number. If you get any error also, no problem. So just let it be as it is. Everything is successfully. So make sure that at the previous commands what to be altered successfully to be done there. So at the last step you can see as in task number 6, I hope so. So here you no need to change the international, let it be as it is. So you'll get an error, but no need to panic here. So after that run the another cell, okay. So after that you'll get this type of output here of the details of every hotel what you are looking, and then you automatically check every progress. So we have been successfully completed in every check my progress, I hope so. So guys, let us end this lab. So before ending this lab, please make sure please like and subscribe to channel for more such content, guys. So it will be more helpful for me to make such solutions based on cloud as well as AI, guys. So do subscribe guys and do like this video, guys. Let me see you meet on the next video, guys. Thank you.